Hello all. Today we will see about count nouns versus non-count nouns. First, count nouns. It can be counted as one or more. For example, pen, computer, bottle, spoon, desk, and so on. You can take an S to form the plural. For pen, it's pens. Computer, it's computers. Bottle, it is bottles. Spoon, it is spoons. You can add expressions such as a few pens, a few computers, many bottles, some spoons, every desk. You can work with the appropriate articles such as a, an, or the. A pen, the computer, a bottle, the spoon, a desk, the cup, a television. These are the countable nouns. Next, non-countable nouns which cannot be counted. Water, wood, ice, air, oxygen, and so on. And it cannot be pluralized. There are no plural forms for that. So you can say sugar is sweet. The noun here is, the non-countable noun is sugar. The sunshine is beautiful. The non-countable noun is sunshine. I drink milk. The non-countable noun is milk. And so on. But you can add some expressions like some, any, enough, this, that, and much. Please go through the exercises. Thank you.